Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to discuss what are the aggregation functions. Okay, so it's a functions where the values of a multiple rows are grouped together as an input, okay, on certain criteria. Okay, and these criteria will be the count, sum, average, minimum value, maximum value. Basically, aggregation function, which means some of the mathematical functions which we are using to find a specific value, okay, by using multiple inputs. Okay, so let's just practically understand what were the aggregation functions which we have here. Okay, so the basic aggregation functions which I already mentioned in this slide. Okay, the basic functions were count, sum, average, minimum, maximum, these kind of mathematical functions which comes under aggregation functions. Okay, so let's just practically understand by using our SQL Workbench, MySQL Workbench. Okay, so this is our MySQL Workbench. Just quickly run above query so that we can go further. Okay, so this is our employee table. Now I want to count. Simply use count function. Okay, first is our count function. Okay, so let's just write count. Sorry, first you need to write select count. Okay, you can also have this kind of suggestions here. Okay, just simply write count from our table name. Okay, and in this bracket you need to mention the column name for which you want to count your values. Okay, for example, I want name here. I want to count the names of the users or employees which we have in our table. Okay, so here we have 4 records. Then it will return here, as you can see in this result window. We have 4 as our output because we have 4 records in our table. Okay, if you want to check, you can see our table here. We have 4 ID, which means we have 4 records in this table. Okay, now if you want to apply a specific condition with this count function, okay, you can also do that. Okay, count name from table name, and you can also specify some condition if you want, where salary equals to salary should be less than 28,000. okay, let's see what was our output. Okay, so it will return us with 3. Okay, so let's see in our record what the values which we have here. Okay, so only 29,000 is greater record here, and remaining 3 were the values. Remaining 3 records were having the salary less than 28,000. Okay, so that's why it will return us with the 3. Okay, so now let's see what were the other functions which we have here. Okay, so our next function is sum. Just use the same method. I want a sum of we can take a sum of salaries because we did not have any column rather than this in which we can apply this function. Okay, so we want to we want a sum of salaries from this table. Okay, so here is the total sum of salary which we have in our record. Okay, you can also apply same condition here. Okay, you can also use where clause with this sum function. Okay, it's your if you want to apply the where clause with sum, you can do it by yourself. Okay, I will quickly show other methods which we have in our aggregation functions. Select, we also have average. So let's find the average of salary from employee table. Okay, so 23,000 was the average salary of the employees which we have. Okay, and next is let's find the minimum salary which we have in our record. Select, for finding minimum we use min function. Write the column name, parenthesis close, from employee. Okay, so here we have 20,000 which is our minimum salary. You can check it out from this table. So as you can see here in first row we have 20,000 which is our minimum salary, so that our output is correct. Okay, and let's quickly see the maximum function also. Okay, maximum salary which we have in our record is from table name, which is employee. Okay, sorry, from So 29,000 was the maximum salary which we have in our record. Okay, so that's how you can apply aggregation functions on on the tables, okay, which you have in your database. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more such videos.